No, we're going to ask you some questions, okay? Ready? What is your name? What's your name?
R-O-R-I.
R-O-R-I. How do you say it? What's your name?
Rory.
Rory, right. How old are you?
2.
No, you have a birthday, so how old are you now? 3.
3.
You're 3, right? Okay. What is your favorite TV show? What do you like to watch on TV?
Shisumi.
Umizoomi? Is that all?
No.
What else?
Dora.
Dora. What are your sissies' names?
R-O-R-I.
No, what are your sissies' names? What's her name?
August.
Who's that?
Rary.
And who's your other sister?
Mommy.
No. Who's your other sister? Who's your sister, your big sister with the blonde hair? Who's your big sister? Is it Shell?
No.
What's her name?
Oma.
No. What's her name?
Oma head.
Is it Shelby?
No.
No, sit back. Sit back. Sit back, please. Is Shelby your sister too? Okay. Who's your best friend?
Ruby.
Ruby?
Yeah.
What do you like to do with Ruby?
Eat my cake.
Eat your cake?
Yeah.
You want to eat your cake with Ruby?
Yep.
Okay. What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink, yes. What kind of birthday cake did Mommy make you?
Birthday.
What kind? Who is it?
A cake.
What kind of cake?
Yeah.
What kind?
No.
What kind of cake did Mommy make you? What kind of birthday cake did you want for your birthday?
Shisumi.
Umizoomi. Which one? Is it bought?
Nope.
Who is it?
What?
No. What cake did Mommy make you?
I don't know.
Millie?
Millie.
Millie.
And Zero.
And let's see. What do you like to do outside?
Yep.
What do you like to do outside?
Yep.
Do you like to go in the pool?
Yep.
Do you like to swim?
Yep.
Can you swim all by yourself now?
Yep.
With your floaties on?
Yep.
Can you?
Yep.
Okay.
That's your boy, Chris, Mommy.
Okay, move back. Sit back down, please.
Da, da, da.
All right. Okay, ready for more questions? Ready? What kind of animals do we have? What's our doggy's name?
R-O-R-I.
No. What's our doggy's name?
I don't know.
What's our dog's name?
I don't know.
Rory, you do too know. What's our dog's name?
I don't know, Mommy.
Rory. What's our new puppy's name?
Puppies.
What's her name?
Amanda.
Malibu. And who else do we have?
Oreo.
And Oreo. And what's the kitty's name? What's her name? No, what's her name? Oreo and what's her name?
I don't know.
Rory, sit up, please.
Ah.
Sit up, please. Is it Cookie?
Yep.
Who's Cookie?
3.
Can you count for me?
1, 2, 3,
Keep going.
4, 5, 6, 7,
8. Keep going.
7,
8.
8, 9,
Keep going.
10,
Mhm.
11,
12. 12.
1, 2,
Uh-huh.
3,
Mm-hmm.
4,
Mm-hmm.
5,
Mm-hmm. 6.
7,
What's next?
4.
Okay, let's just count. Ready? 1, 2. Rory,
Rory, ready?
you don't need to use your fingers.
Go. 1, 2.
Can you count?
1,
Okay, let's do our ABCs.
3, 4.
Let's do ABCs, okay? Ready?
A, B, C, E, F, G. A, B, C, E, F, G.
H,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
very good. Okay, can you sing Rain, Rain, Go Away?
Waving, go away, calling again another day. Waving, go away, calling again another day.
Good job. And how old are you?
Whoa,
How old are you?
I don't know.
Rory, how old are you? 3. Say happy birthday, Rory.
Happy birthday, Rory.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.